Well, instead of reviving fish after a long hard fight, today it was trying to resuscitate this female cardinal who unfortunately flew right into my sliding glass door. Poor little thing. Here's the saga. Well, we're trying to save him. Making progress. First he was on his back, then on its side, and its wings didn't look good. I think it crushed its beak. Hello, little guy. He seems to know that I'm helping him, actually, instead of harming him. But the wildest thing was 2 red cardinals came down right away, and I thought they were going to try to help her, and they tried to kill her. Oh, sad days, man. Come on, buddy. He's going to make it, I think. I've got gloves on. Big snow gloves. So I'm keeping my scent away from the birds so they won't attack it. I've heard that. Alrighty. Exciting things out here in Bro Bridge. And yes, that is the floor mat. He landed on the window and fell down. Crunch. Goodbye. Papa, come on. There you go. You're okay. Come on, buddy. You're gonna fly. You're gonna fly. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Don't look at me like that. You're gonna fly. You're doing better. Your beak doesn't look so good, but I understand that problem. Come on, buddy. Come on. We're gonna get up the energy to fly out of here. Open those eyes. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Cute little thing. So after 2 hours of carefully handling the bird and talking to it a little bit, and after about 2 more hours tucking it under the house porch for a nap, it finally recovered. Definitely had a serious concussion, but sure enough was able to fly away and as good as new. I hope to see her again. Thanks for watching.